In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Notion. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a smooth connection between the two tools, so your tasks and documentation can live side by side and work together. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account on your browser or desktop app. Start on any Notion page or your workspace home. At the top corner of the screen, look for your profile icon. This might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. Click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. From this drop-down, select the option labeled Settings to open your Notion settings window. This is where you manage things like your account details, notifications, and most importantly for us, integrations. Inside the settings window, look for the section called Connections. Depending on your layout, it might appear in the left sidebar or as a tab in the main panel. Click on Connections. This area is where Notion lets you connect with other apps and services. Once you're in the Connections section, find and click the button or link that says Browse Connections in Gallery. This will open Notion's Integrations Gallery, which is a catalog of apps you can connect to your workspace. In the Integrations Gallery, locate the search bar, usually at the top of the page. Click into the search bar and type ClickUp. Make sure you spell it as one word. After a moment, you should see the ClickUp integration appear in the search results. When you see ClickUp in the list, click on it to open the integrations detail page. This page usually gives you a short description of what the integration does and what kind of access it needs. Take a quick moment to scan this so you understand what will be shared between Notion and ClickUp. On this ClickUp integration page, look for a button that says Add to Notion and click it. This is what starts the actual connection process between your Notion workspace and your ClickUp account. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. You'll